Is your Audi key fob displaying an open case error, or is the remote not working? This usually indicates a dead CR2032 battery. To fix this, you'll need a new CR2032 battery, 3 volts, a small flathead screwdriver, or a plastic pry tool. Newer models after 2015 may have a small screw hidden beneath a removable cover. Using the right tools will prevent scratches and damage to your key fob. Remember to buy your replacement battery from reputable suppliers to prevent corrosion. Ensure you buy CR2032. Inserting the wrong kind could damage the fob. Using the Audi Connect app could mitigate this in the future, but is not a current alternative. First, locate the seam on your key fob, usually at the key end. Gently insert the screwdriver or pry tool to open the case. If it's a newer model, check for hidden screws first. Once open, carefully remove the old battery, noting its orientation, positive side up, marked with plus. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Wipe the contacts with a dry cloth. Snap the case back together. Test the fob. If proximity entry or remote functions still don't work, try turning the key to the 2 position and pressing the lock button multiple times. Always check your model-specific manual for any further quirks. If you still have an issue, you will likely need to have it professionally reprogrammed.